Hello everyone, it's me Happycrisps. Today I'm going to talk about brain injury. So this is your lovely brain and there are several structures protecting it. Of course, there's your scalp on the outside and going from the innermost layers, you have the pia mater, the arachnoid mater, the dura mater and the skull. These layers together form the protective covering of the brain called the meninges. And let's not forget the CSF, that is the cerebrospinal fluid, which flows between the arachnoid and the dura mater. These structures do a pretty good job of protecting your brain. Just a fall or an injury cannot affect your brain, but what can? Blows to your head or a heavy object falling on your head. And can you guess the most common reason affecting the brain? Road traffic accidents. India has the highest rate of head injury due to road traffic accidents. It's at a whopping 60%. Road traffic accidents are pretty common here, and 76% of road traffic accidents result in a severe head injury. Let's look at what happens to your brain during a head injury. So a car hits a pedestrian and he hits his head on the sidewalk. The brain gets tossed around and this mechanical stress results in an electrical discharge all around, like a short circuit of the neurons. There is a swelling in the front and the back part of the brain due to the coup and the contre-coup effect respectively. There is bruising and bleeding of the focus as well as the diffuse areas of the brain. There is swelling where one area impinges on the other area resulting in reduced blood flow. And there is axonal injury. If the axons are injured, there is no communication between the different brain structures. These physical changes could result in loss of consciousness, memory issues, aggression or irritability, speech and language issues, movement issues, confusion and disorientation. A lot of these symptoms could heal with time depending on the timely treatment given. But nerve recovery, that's a difficult process and it depends on the severity, which is usually mild, moderate or severe based on the Glasgow Coma scale. Even though a few symptoms recover, there are long-term effects of brain injury. Communication and swallowing can be majorly affected, for which a speech-language pathologist can help. For any movement-related issues, a physiotherapist and an occupational therapist can help. And for issues of memory and cognition, a speech-language pathologist and a neurologist can help. So I hope you enjoyed learning about the brain and what happens to it during an injury. Thank you for watching. It's me, Happycrisps.